Which statement best describes the exponential function defined above? All right, so we have something in the form a times b to the x minus 3. I don't have to write this out. Now, this is a calculator problem, but I don't think I need a calculator unless I want to use one at the very end to double check my work. G demonstrates exponential decay. Well, this guy wrapped inside the parentheses taken to the x power says, nope, since you're 1.5, that means you're greater than 1. This is growth. So this is not going to be decay, and this is not going to be decay. It's growth because the x-intercept is positive? No. It's growth because a is greater than 0, and b is also positive. So if this was negative, it would take that guy and flip it upside down. But since b is positive and greater than 1, and a is positive, we have exponential growth, so D is going to be my answer. Now, let's throw this into a calculator and make sure everything is good. All right, so even though I didn't need my calculator, let's type it in and see what happens anyway, just to make sure that we got D correct. So I'm going to type out parentheses 1/4. I like to do extra parentheses with fractions because I'm nervous. 3/2 is going to be my growth factor. To the x is right there, scooch to the right, minus 3, and let's hit graph and see if D seems to make sense. G demonstrates exponential growth because A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 1. Well, A is greater than 0, B is greater than 1, and yeah, that's exponential growth, so I'll take it, baby.